What's up guys, my name is Carson. I'm the marketing intern here at Sundog. Today we'll be talking about the loop component in Microsoft Teams. Let's roll right into it. Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about the loop component. So what exactly is a loop component? So if we go into here, we press our loop component button, we can see that the loop component is defined as a bulleted list, a checklist, or a numbered list that you can send to your coworkers or your team. So there really is 3 key reasons why the loop component can be useful to your business. 1, it's a tool to help assign day-to-day tasks to your team. 2, this is a key tool for prioritization and limiting distractions. 3, this tool is really built in real time, so there's no asking your managers what needs to be completed or asking your team what they have done. So if we go into here, we press the loop component button, we can press the checklist, and it prompts us to it asks us for a title. So the title is going to be weekly to-dos. And the first task will be just task 1, task 2, and then finally task 3. So we can go ahead and send this. And as soon as I send this out, my team is allowed to make any changes that they want to. So if they get task 1 done, they can check it off, they can strike it through, it's done. If maybe there's miscommunication and it isn't done, they can just simply untask it. So everyone that's in this group has the authority to do that. So let's say that all 3 are crossed out. Boom, it's over with. So this is really a tool that's going to be efficient and helpful for your business and communication online. Thank you guys for coming in, and we'll see you next time. Do us a huge favor. If you're enjoying our Sundog Tech Tip Tuesdays, give us a like and then hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, we'll see you again next time.